Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Let's see how to draw diagram of De Morgan's theorem by using NAND gates. So the question is, draw diagram of De Morgan's theorem using NAND gate. So see how to draw the diagram for De Morgan's theorem using NAND gate. So first theorem of De Morgan's, it states that complement of sum is equal to product of their complement. Complement of sum is equal to product of their complement. This is De Morgan's first theorem. So we have to draw the diagram for this and this. So this is what? This is the LHS and this is the RHS. So first of all, we'll draw the diagram for this LHS. So the LHS is equal to A plus B bar. And we have to draw the diagram by using what? By using NAND gate. Not normal this OR and NOT gate. So we have to draw the diagram for by using NAND gate. Here we want A plus B bar. Means as we know this is the equation of NOR gate. So we have to draw the diagram of NOR gate using NAND gate. So first of all here we want A plus B bar. So this is A plus B. This is what? AND gate and OR gate, and this is what? This is the complement, means NOT gate. So first of all we want OR gate using NAND gate. So we'll draw the diagram of OR gate. So for this OR gate we require first one NOT gate using NAND gate. Then we require another NOT gate using NAND gate, and then we have to connect here one NAND gate. So this is the diagram of what? This is the diagram of OR gate using NAND gate, but here we want the NOR gate. So again we have to connect here one NOT gate. So this is the diagram for A plus B bar, that is the LHS of the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, this is A and this is what? B. Now we have to draw the diagram for RHS, that is A bar dot B bar. Now here A bar dot B bar means A bar means what? It is a complement. B bar means it is a complement. So we have to use the NOT gate by using NAND gate with a dot product. Okay. Dot means what? We have to use the AND gate. So here we have to write the RHS is equal to A bar dot B bar. So for A bar and B bar we require the NOT gate. So this is the NOT gate using NAND gate, and this is A. Again this is what? This is the B bar. So here we got A bar, here we got B bar. Now we have to do here the dot product, that is means the what? That is AND gate. So I am drawing here the diagram of AND gate using NAND gate. In our previous lecture we studied about how to draw the diagram by using this gates. So here I got A, here I got A bar, this is B, here I got B bar. Now this A bar and B bar means here we got A bar, Here we got B bar. This A bar and this B bar goes where? Goes here. This is what? This is the AND gate. And so finally we got this diagram, and this is the diagram of what? A bar dot B bar. Now we have to check both diagram. See, this is the NOT gate. This is NOT gate. This is again a NOT. So finally here we got the RHS, that is A bar dot B bar. And the diagram for this is this one. Here this is A, here we got A bar, this is B, here we got B bar, and this gate will give us this diagram, this part will give us the dot product, means AND gate. So now this is the final output for this A bar dot B bar. Now we have to check the LHS and RHS. See the diagram of LHS. In this we have two NOT gate with a AND gate. Here again two NOT gate with a AND gate. So both diagrams are same. In this way we prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So the De Morgan's first theorem is proved. Let's prove De Morgan's second theorem by using NAND gate. As we know, the De Morgan's second theorem states that complement of product is equal to sum of their complement. So complement of product is equal to sum of their complement. This is De Morgan's second theorem. So we have to prove that this LHS is equal to RHS by using NAND gate. So let's take the LHS. LHS is equal to A dot B complement. This is what? This is the LHS of De Morgan's second theorem. Now we have to draw the diagram by using NAND gate. So see, as we know, this is the equation of NAND gate. So we have to just draw the diagram of NAND gate. So here we got the our LHS. This is A and this one is B. So we got the diagram of left hand side. Now we have to prove the RHS. Here RHS is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay. So for this A bar, this is the complement, and B bar, it is also a complement. So we require NOT gate for both of this. So we'll draw the diagram by using NAND gate. This is A, and this is what? B. A and B. So if this is A, this is B. This is the NOT gate using NAND gate. So we got here A bar and here we got B bar. Now we have to add both of this. So for adding this, we have to use OR gate. Now for this OR gate, we have to draw the diagram of OR gate using NAND gate. So for this we require one NOT gate, then again one NOT gate, and with one NAND gate. Okay. Now as we know, if the NOT gate and NOT gate are in series, so they will cancel each other. So these both gate will cancel each other. This both gate will cancel each other. So what we got finally? We got finally only this output. So we'll draw this output here. So finally we got this NAND gate. This is A and this is B. And see, our LHS is equal to this NAND gate diagram, and this RHS is also equal to the NAND gate diagram. So in this way we draw the diagram for LHS, we draw the diagram for RHS, and the both diagrams are equal. So it shows that LHS is equal to RHS In this way, we prove the De Morgan's second theorem by using NAND gate. Let's see how to draw a logic diagram for a given Boolean equation. See, the equation is given y is equal to a bar dot b bar plus a plus b complement and the whole complement. So we have to draw the logic diagram for this given equation. See here, the inputs are given a and b. So we have to draw a and b. Then we want here a bar and b bar. For this a bar and b bar, we are using NOT gate. So here we got a bar, here we got b bar. Now for this we got a dot product. We are using here AND gate. So we got this term. Now we want this a plus b bar. So we are taking this a and this is b. Okay. Now we want the plus. Plus means what? We are using here OR gate. And with that OR gate, their complement is there. And we know this is the equation of NOR gate. So we have to draw here one bubble. We got this output. Now we got this a bar dot b bar here, a plus b bar here. Now we have to add this, means ORing this. So for ORing this we require one OR gate. So here we get here one OR gate. Now this is whole complement. So for a whole complement you can add here one NOT gate or you can add here just a bubble. So we got here the output. Now see, this is A, here we got A bar, here we got B bar. Now this line gives us A, this line gives us B. Now here this is the NOR gate. So here we got A plus B complement. And here we got what? A bar dot B bar. Now here we got a final solution, that is a bar dot b bar plus a plus b complement and the whole complement, which is equal to y. So here we got the final output, that is a bar dot b bar plus a plus b complement the whole complement. So in this way we can draw a logic diagram for a given Boolean equation.